guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys how I got this look right here. I call it a soft glam makeup look because I actually use the Anastasia soft glam eyeshadow palette. I don't remember the last time I used it on this channel or if I even have, so I wanted to play around with it today, and the shades in here are stunning. And so I used more of like the orangey neutrals on my actual lid, well, more the neutrals, and then a pop of like rosy pink on the lower lash line with a wing liner. If you guys want to know how I got this look, then just keep on watching.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head. And
anyways, that's how I got this look. If you guys liked it, go ahead and subscribe to my channel or give it a thumbs up or both. If you guys have any video requests, you can leave them in the comments down below or at me on my social media, which is all under SassieBeauty, YT, same as spelled here, both Twitter and Instagram. Go follow my beauty brand's Instagram at SassieBeauty, along with go shop SassieBeauty on Etsy. I'll have it all linked down below. And other than that, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.